Eva, and today I'm going to be making birthday cake cupcakes. This is for my younger sister Etta, who isn't very good with sugar, so this is not going to be having any buttercream in or nothing like that. The sugar is half and it's a bit more healthier, so let's get into the video. The ingredients you'll need are half a cup of vegetable oil, 12 tablespoons of plain flour, a quarter cup of caster sugar, 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Preferably it should be plain yogurt. 2 egg whites, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and the best ingredient, 4 tablespoons of sprinkles of your choice. Let's get into the baking. Okay, so the lid kind of got stuck on the oil, so I had to kind of get it off. But all you're going to do is pour the oil into here, add the sugar and the vanilla extract, and all you're going to do is whisk this all together. Okay, so this is now all whisked up, and we're going to add the egg whites and the yogurt. And again, we are going to whisk this up. Okay, so this is now done, and all we're going to do is add the flour and the baking powder. And then we're just going to whisk this again. And now we are going to add the sprinkles in, and we're going to whisk again. We're going to also add a little bit more vanilla extract in. And now we're just going to go grab our cupcake cases with the tins. So I just went ahead and grabbed my tray, and I'm just going to fill this with here and plop this into the cupcake case. Okay, so these are now done, and these are going to go in the already preheated oven for 70 to 20 minutes. Okay, so here they are. They have just finished. As you can see, in the inside they're now like a nice blue colour because they're mixing, and they just look so nice. I think everyone should try this recipe. If you like this recipe, please give this a like and go follow my Instagram at baking.with.eva. Thank you for watching, and bye!